Our forest provides us fresh air and water. Corbett, the first national park of India, is also one such forest. Hundreds of such streams come out of the forest, which provides us clean drinking water. Corbett National Park is called the land of roar, trumpet, and songs. Corbett Tiger Reserve is home to many common and rare animals. The park is situated in Uttarakhand state of India. With a total area of nearly 1300 square kilometer, this has Corbett Park 520 square kilometer, Sonanadi Wildlife Sanctuary 301 square kilometer, and a buffer zone of nearly 466 square kilometer. At the time of establishment, the park was named as Haley National Park, later renamed as Ramganga National Park, and finally as Jim Corbett National Park. Corbett Park is known for the diversity of birds. With over 500 resident and migratory birds, it's a hotspot for bird watchers. People come from very far to see these migratory birds called ibisbill. They live in the higher Himalayas and migrate to lower areas during winter. This peacock is displaying to attract the females. Emerald dove is a beautiful bird. Kalis is one of the pheasant that is found in Corbett. Males often display to attract the females. Changeable hawk eagles are raptors, means they are bird of prey. They can bring down prey much larger than their own size. This changeable hawk eagle is cleaning its prey before eating. Another raptor, crested serpent eagle, is looking for prey. Preening is part of daily activity amongst birds. This Pallas's fish eagle is cleaning its feather to keep them in good condition. Like the Pallas's fish eagle, these woolly necked storks are also preening. Vultures are in great danger today. There are few thousand left in India and needs to be conserved. This is not only the bee which gets benefit from the plant. While they take nectar, the pollens are also transferred from one plant to another plant. That's how the plants also get benefited. This beetle is resting on a grass. Beetles are one of the most diverse species amongst insects. Our forests are full of many such beautiful insects, like these beautiful dragonflies. A jezebel butterfly is taking nectar from lantana flower. Butterflies are cold-blooded creatures, and to maintain their body temperature, they have to bask. Corbett also has a rich diversity of butterflies. Orange oak leaf, clubbeak, common pirate, grey pansy, and many more. Butterflies play an important role in ecosystem. They are the second largest pollinator in the world after honeybee, and that's how they help in regeneration of many plant species. In forest, one is either prey or a predator. While some spiders make webs to catch the prey, others prefer to ambush. Termites are normally called white ants, but they are not ants. Termites are related to cockroaches. In one termite mound, there could be 2 lakh to 20 lakh workers. Main job of these workers is to repair damaged termite mounds. Termite mounds are often visited by anteaters, monkeys, and bears. There are many venomous and non-venomous snakes in Corbett. This is a non-venomous snake and it is called bronzeback tree snake. Tree snakes feeds on eggs, lizards, insects and chicks. Like the bronzeback tree snake, this beautiful copper-headed trinket snake is also a non-venomous snake. Color and their beautiful pattern helps them in blending with the surrounding. Pythons are also non-venomous snakes. They are also one of the largest snakes in the world. This small python has eaten something and now it is looking for a place where it can hide itself and digest its hard-earned meal. This large fellow has swallowed a full-grown cheetal. Snakes have heat-sensing pits on their upper jaw. With the help of these pits, a snake can see their prey in dark conditions. Once a snake of this size is able to kill such a large prey, it doesn't need to kill for another year. Due to the unique design of their jaw, snakes are able to swallow such large prey. Forreston's cat snake is a mildly venomous snake. They also have a beautiful pattern on their skin. They take this position to launch an attack on their enemy. Cobra is a venomous snake and seldom seen on trees. They are amongst one of the 4 deadliest snakes in India. But the real beauty amongst snakes is this beautiful king cobra. King cobra is the longest venomous snake in the world and they are known for their snake eating habit. Females make a nest to lay their eggs and even they guard it. It is believed that if a king cobra bites with full quantity of the venom, it can bring down an elephant.
Monitor lizard is a big lizard in size. They look for insects, frogs, birds, and small mammals like rats. Remaining still is a technique to protect them from their enemies. Another monitor lizard following the smell left behind by its prey. Their forked tongue takes the chemical particles from surrounding. Jacobson's organ on their upper jaw analyze the details, which finally helps them in locating the prey. Elongated tortoise is a common tortoise in sal forest. That is the reason they are also called sal forest tortoise. This had just come out of hibernation. These two tortoises are fighting for territory. This tortoise is basking in the sun. Like all cold-blooded creatures, they need to maintain the body temperature. Like the tortoise, our Ghadial Magar is also basking on the bank of Ramganga. Ramganga has Ghadial crocodile and Magar crocodile. A Magar crocodile or a Mars crocodile is smaller than Ghadial Magar. Once the body temperature reaches to required levels, they dive into the water. Ramganga river is full of many species of fishes, but the main fish which is found here is Mahasir. They are also called tiger of the river. They got their name because of their big head. These fishes are of great importance as they keep the river clean. Yellow-throated marten is a shy creature, but they are very good hunters. This yellow-throated marten is chasing a jungle fowl, and after some moves, it is able to kill it, and soon disappear into the bushes with its catch. Porcupines are difficult to be seen during daytime like this, as they are nocturnal in nature. Flying squirrels are highly nocturnal in nature. This is first ever photographic record of the species from Corbett landscape. Flying squirrels actually don't fly. They glide from one tree to another tree. This becomes possible because of a skin membrane which is present between their hind and forelimbs. Indian pangolin is another rare creature of Corbett. Pangolin is a mammal, but people confuse it with a reptile. Pangolins have razor-sharp scales on their skin. These scales protect them from the enemies. Otters are also seen in Ramganga and Mandal river of Corbett. These otters mainly feed on fishes. After fishing, often otters come out to dry themselves out. Jackals are scavengers. They often eat leftovers of tigers and leopards. This jackal is trying to smell something. Wild animals are often seen eating soil. Such places where animals gather to eat soil are called salt licks. Animals do this to fulfill their nutritional needs. They get minerals from the soil. Animals have favorite sites for salt licking. Langurs, monkeys, deers, they all come to such places to fulfill their nutritional needs. It's not only animals who take salt. Some birds like parakeets, pigeons are also seen such salt licks. It is believed that this helps them in digestion. Corbett Park has two species of monkeys. One is rhesus while the other is black-faced monkey. Looking after each other is their part of daily grooming activity. Such grooming exercises are not only to get rid of ticks. This makes their family and social bonding stronger. Black-faced monkey or Hanuman langur is quite bigger than rhesus macaque. Apart from the leaves and fruits, sometimes these monkeys are also seen eating trees' barks. Which seems a fight to us is actually not a fight. These playful fights are basically training classes. This young monkey is learning the skill from his elder brother. Spotted deer always gather below the trees where these black-faced monkeys are eating. Deers and monkeys have a symbiotic relationship with each other. If there is any kind of threat, either a tiger or a leopard around, spotted deers raise the alarm for monkeys. While in return, these monkeys always drop leaves and fruits for the spotted deers. Ramganga River is the biggest river of the park. This is also called lifeline of the park. River Ramganga along with Ramganga Reservoir provides a very good habitat for aquatic animals. Though many grasslands submerged under the Ramganga Reservoir, but the Dhikala grassland provides a very good habitat for herbivore animals. There are four species of deers in Corbett. Barking deer is the smallest of all four. They are solitary in nature. barking deer has seen a tiger and raising loud alarm calls for other animals. The reason why they are called barking deer is because of their alarm call. It seems like a dog is barking. Spotted deer is another species of deer which is found in Corbett. This is a male spotted deer. As we can see, they have large antlers. Antlers are found in male deers only, but they are not permanent. They set them regularly. Out of four species of deers, spotted deers are found in good numbers. They are the main prey species for the tiger. A female deer is grazing on the bank of Ramganga. While grazing, they are always on alert because a tiger can easily hide itself in the grasses and can attack all of a sudden. Fights between two male deers is very common just before the mating season. They are often seen fighting with each other. It is the right of the powerful male to mate with the females, and it is to pass the best gene for the next generation. Big herds of spotted deers are often seen. It is a technique for survival. When they're grazing, there are more eyes to look for possible predators around. Sambar deer is the biggest deer of Indian subcontinent. They rarely come out in open forest and prefer to live in dense areas. A female is crossing the open patch in the forest very carefully. Sambar is favorite food for tiger because of their size. If a tiger is able to kill such large deer, they don't have to hunt for another 3-4 days. Sambar deers are always seen in small families, which normally consist of a big male deer, females, and other small calves. A lifted tail is a silent signal of warning for other members in the group. Hog deer is the fourth species of deer which is in Corbett, and they are seen in Dikala grasslands. Wild boar is also a prey species for tigers and leopard. They are also in good numbers. Wild boar is an omnivorous animal, means they also eat meat. Male wild boars have large canines. They are of great help to dig the hard soil. Asian elephants are found in very good numbers in Corbett. Elephants are social and they are matriarch, means the herd is led by the oldest female. Dikala grassland provide them a very good habitat as it falls between dense forest and river Ramganga. In Asian elephants, females don't have tusks unlike African elephants. Only the bull elephant carries the tusk. That is the reason they are called tusker. The tuskers normally live alone and only join the herds during the mating season. But in some male elephant, the tusks are missing. Those bull elephants without the tusk are called Makhna elephants. This Makhna is enjoying dust bath right now. Dust bath protects elephants from heat and parasites. This elephant is in musk. We can see the liquid coming out of its musk gland, which is between the eyes and ear. This bull has lost its one tusk in a fight with another elephant. Bull elephants fight with each other before the mating season. These two elephants have been fighting with each other for many hours and are now tired. Male elephants are found in very good numbers in Corbett. Such big male elephants are future of our population of elephants in Corbett as well as in India. Young calves also get protection from other elephants, not only by her mother. Every member of the herd takes care of small calves as they are vulnerable. Sometimes tigers kill elephant calves. That's why they need the protection of their mother and other members in the family. Elephants are large animals and they have a great appetite. That is the reason they don't stay at one point for long. They keep moving from one area to another area in search of food. An adult elephant can eat over 100 kg of green fodder and also needs same amount of water to drink.
झाड़ियों में है वो ये मादा है मादा ही हाँ मादा हाँ उसकी सूंड वूंड सब जली कटी पड़ी है तार नीचा है नहीं
This female fell victim to a high tension electricity wire, which is passing through its corridor between Ramnagar Forest Division and Corbett Tiger Reserve. Elephants are in danger today because of their shrinking habitat and the developmental activities going around their habitats. This mother has to work hard to protect its two small cubs. Leopard cubs are often killed by tigers. Another leopard silently walking over a ridge. Leopards are most adaptable animal in the wild. Leopards are quite smaller than the tigers and they can't fight with them. They protect themselves by climbing trees. A full-grown tiger can't climb trees. That's how the leopard protect themselves from the tigers. Tiger is the main attraction of Corbett. This female is successfully rearing a small cub. Tiger is the only cat that likes to lie in the water. This keeps them cool and also protect themselves from the flies and mosquitoes. This big male tiger is resting in a small pool. Though tiger is the biggest cat, but they are very shy and elusive in nature. Male tigers are highly territorial and they will defend their territories. Any area has a carrying capacity. If the tiger number exceeds after that carrying capacity, the tigers might die in territorial fights. We need to provide tigers space. That is why we need to have more tiger reserves in India. Tiger is not just an animal, it's a symbol of a healthy ecosystem. This subadult tiger had just left her mother and now he is learning the skills of hunting. Rhesus monkeys are warning. They have spotted this tigress. To get a glimpse of this beautiful cat, tourists wait for hours. Wildlife tourism is increasing in India, but for the benefit of both tourism and wildlife, it needs to be sustainable. If done responsibly, wildlife tourism can be utilized as a tool for conservation.
कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क में पर्यटन होने से स्थानीय लोगों को आजीविका के साधन उपलब्ध तो हुए ही हैं, साथ ही साथ युवाओं को रोजगार भी मिला है।
जंगलों से हमें घास, लकड़ी, जलौनी लकड़ी वो मिलती है और जंगलों से हमें जो है जड़ी बूटियाँ भी मिलती हैं और इन जंगलों को बचाना हम सभी लोगों का मतलब कर्तव्य है।
Management of wildlife is a big task. Controlled burning of grasslands is also a management practice. This prevents accidental fires. New shoots emerge after burning the grass in dry period. These shoots become a rich source of food for herbivore animals. Forest staff regularly do patrolling for the protection of wild animals. Trap cameras are placed on key locations. This helps in identifying individual animals and their movement. Camera trap exercise is also utilized nowadays to count tigers. Individual tigers have different stripe patterns. That's how they are counted. The data is collected and later analyzed to count the tigers and other animals in the area. It is an adventure to see wild animals in a 4x4 open gypsy. However, this 4x4 is a better option over jeep safari. When it comes to see animals in their natural habitat, elephants are a better option. Elephants can move without making much noise. They can also go into the bushes, which is not possible through a gypsy. There are many trained elephants which can take you for a safari. There are many forest rest houses in Corbett. Old Forest Rest House Dhikala is a famous building and gives a very good view of Ramganga river and reservoir. Man-animal conflict is a big problem today, and it is rising every day. This tiger was shot dead by poachers. Poaching is also a big threat to the tigers. Sometimes humans are also killed or attacked by tigers and leopards, but mainly when they enter into their habitats. This tiger killed 6 people before it was shot dead. Today, there are few hundred tigers left in India, and they are in great danger. Today, the tiger needs support. If we want to see our national animal in the forest like this, we have to do something now. Tigers are at the verge of extinction. The time to act is now. Let us all join the hands to save the national animal before it is too late.